Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove SIM cards from your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone and see here in this hole you have to insert SIM ejector tool. SIM ejector tool. Just bring SIM ejector tool and insert here. Okay, and the SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone. Okay, see here. Just you got to pull out this tray. Okay, on the side if you pull out it will come out. Okay, now here you have inserted two SIM cards. Okay, just to release those two SIM cards. Okay, yes, two SIM cards have been removed and SIM tray is free from SIM cards. And now insert this tray into your phone. Okay, here insert here in this position. See here. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove SIM cards from your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.